Hear that? No? That's your liver, silent even when struggling. Your liver tirelessly maintains your body. Stay with us as we journey through essential steps to support this vital organ. Ready to dive into liver health secrets? Meet the silent trickster, your liver. As the philosopher Avicenna noted, the liver is the commander of the body. This amazing organ performs over 500 vital functions and 20 million chemical reactions every single minute. From breaking down toxins to producing essential proteins, the liver is an unsung hero. You'll see just how crucial it is to understand and care for this vital organ. Stay with us, because a healthier liver means a healthier you. Your liver is a multitasking superhero, managing over 500 vital functions every day. But when it struggles, so do you. Did you know liver disease affects millions worldwide? These statistics highlight the liver's importance. An unhealthy liver can lead to severe health issues, impacting your entire body. It's not just about feeling sluggish, the consequences can be much more serious. Liver disease can lead to chronic fatigue, abdominal pain, and in extreme cases, liver failure. So taking care of your liver is crucial for your overall health. As we move forward, you'll see how to combat liver enemies and keep this vital organ in peak condition. Beware of the liver's enemies: alcohol, fatty foods, and sugar. These can sneak into your daily routine, causing unseen damage to your liver. Alcohol disrupts balance, leading to inflammation and scarring. Overindulgence in fatty foods sets the stage for fat buildup, pushing your liver to its limits. And sugar, it morphs into fat, silently wreaking havoc. When these substances accumulate, toxins build up, and your liver struggles to keep up. This ongoing battle can result in severe damage over time. By understanding these enemies, you can protect and support your liver. As we move forward, you'll see how choline can be a powerful ally in promoting liver health. Meet choline, your liver's unsung hero. This essential nutrient transports fats through your liver, ensuring smooth operations. Choline also plays a critical role in brain health and offers a shield against Alzheimer's. To reap its benefits, look no further than your kitchen. Eggs, fish, and broccoli are rich sources of this vital nutrient. Incorporating choline-rich foods into your diet can be a game changer for liver health and overall well-being. As we move forward, you'll discover another powerful ally in maintaining a healthy liver. Stay tuned. Whey, the liver's secret weapon. For centuries, this humble byproduct of cheesemaking has been revered, dating back to Hippocrates. But why is whey such a powerhouse for your liver? Let's journey through the rich history of whey to uncover its secrets. Whey isn't just another health fad. It's been used across different cultures for its healing properties. Whey proteins are digestible and packed with amino acids, which help reduce liver inflammation and oxidative stress. Whey builds a protective barrier for the liver, helping detoxify and regenerate its cells. This reduces the risk of liver diseases and maintains the overall functionality of this vital organ. And the best part? You don't need to rely on store-bought products to enjoy its benefits. With a few simple steps, you can prepare fresh whey at home. Gather your ingredients: milk and an acidic component like lemon juice or vinegar. Heat the milk gently, add your acid, and watch as the milk coagulates into curds and whey. Strain the mixture, and there you have it, fresh, homemade whey. Integrate this liver-boosting liquid into your diet by adding it to smoothies, soups, or as a refreshing drink. By doing so, you embrace an age-old tradition while supporting your liver. As we move forward, you'll discover more ways to ensure your liver functions at its best, including the vital role of physical activity. Stay with us as we delve into exercise tips tailored for optimal liver health. We all know exercise is great for our heart and muscles, but did you know it's also vital for liver health? Proper technique matters, so let's start with the basics. Take squats, for example. Perfecting your form ensures you're getting the most benefit. When performed correctly, squats help improve circulation and boost the liver's ability to detoxify. But squats are just the beginning. Regular physical activity, like aerobic exercises and strength training, has powerful effects on liver function. Exercise reduces fat buildup and promotes the regeneration of liver cells. It helps maintain a healthy weight and enhances insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. Activities like yoga and brisk walking can also be profoundly beneficial. As we move forward, you'll learn about other practical tips to keep your liver in top shape. So, keep that heart rate up and stay tuned. Taking care of your liver doesn't have to be complicated. Start with liver-friendly foods like leafy greens, nuts, and fish rich in omega-3. These can help detoxify and support liver functions. Embrace a balanced lifestyle where regular exercise and adequate hydration are key. Avoid excessive alcohol and processed sugars. Picture this: waking up on a healthy liver day. You feel energized, your mind is clear, and your body is in harmony. Imagine the tranquility that comes with a liver functioning at its best. By incorporating these simple tips, you're not just boosting your liver health, you're enhancing your overall well-being. Now, as we wrap up, let's set the stage for something even more engaging in your journey to better liver health. Now it's time to take action. Join our 1-week challenge with Whey and squats to boost your liver health. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, and don't forget to share your progress with us. Together, let's make a healthier tomorrow.